Want to know how to restore your purses in Snake.io? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. So it's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Snake.io application, and once you have done that, you should be provided with this interface right here. Now, restoring your purses is pretty simple in Snake.io. So once you have opened up your game, on the top left side you should be seeing something known as the gear icon. So this is your settings. Just simply select it, and I should be on the settings window right here. Now on the right side, right below or right up beside reset progress, you should be seeing restore processes. So again, just simply select it, and now once you select it, restore processes, this removes all ads and all snakes. So you can just simply select yes, and this removes all the cosmetics as well. So be careful before resetting it. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.